What's up? This is episode 9 of Tokyo Boys TV, and for this episode, me and Phil go to TeamLab Planets in Odaiba, which I guess I would describe as a multi-sensory art exhibition or installation. I don't know, you gotta experience it for yourself to really understand. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing or liking or any of those kinds of things. Anyway, without further ado.
Damn, yo. This is hardcore.
Yeah.
Smells like an onsen in there or something, man.
Maybe it is.
That'd be dope.
Oh.
Yeah, they got like the fresh herbs cooking in here, man.
Yeah.
You can smell it. It's like lavender. Whoa. Whoa, bro. More. Whoa, that's water, dude. That's water.
Careful.
Oh, shit.
Not so bad.
Damn, yo. I want to drop my phone.
Yeah, please.
Whoa, dude. Whoa. That's definitely one way to clean your feet.
I'm ready for something psycho right now.
Yeah, I'm ready for some scary shit to jump out. Whoa, dude, she's scary. What the?
You wanted to lace it out, dude.
Dude, this is so chill. Dude, this is exactly what I wanted to do. Dude, let's get in there, man. Whoa, fuck, dude. Dude, sick. Dude, this is crazy, dude. I'm in like a giant beanbag room, man. It's so dark you can't even see it on the camera. It's not even worth videoing. Just your body slams in this room.
Is it recording?
Yeah, but I don't think I can see you. Hold up, man. It's so dark and crazy.
No way to
Okay, here we are, dude. We got a good video. Just go for it. Shit. the camera can't even focus, man. Where the hell are we, John?
I think we jumped into a black hole, and this is the other side of the black hole, dude. Don't ask me, man.
Damn, yo. And there are a bunch of cute girls here, too. Brutal. Yo, dude. This is the part where my baby, like, freaked out, dude. The cathedral. This you definitely don't want to be wearing a skirt up in this boy.
Wow, man. Pretty sick. Goes on forever, I think.
Yeah, man. This is very cool.
Yeah, I don't feel any gravity right now.
Damn.
Where are we going to? Like, I feel like I'm lost.
What's going on right
I feel stupid for looking at it through the phone, man. Oh, bro. This is the spot to squat right here,
Yeah,
man.
I think so, too.
This is where I practice my Asian squat.
Yeah, not all of us can do it, but me and Phil are pretty good.
Not bad. This is a chill spot to squat.
We're not the only ones, or maybe we're just the only here. I don't know.
No, we're the only pros, man. it's just us a million times in here. Ugh.
Wow, man.
I'm waiting for the light to turn on so it sees you.
I'll turn it on again.
Now turn on the light again, John.
There we go.
Thank you.
How's that for you?
It's pretty cool, dude.
Not too bad, right?
You did a good job, man. You're pretty powerful, man.
I am now.
Damn, man, this is Ninja Turtles. Whoa, dude, this is knee height, yo. Whoa, dude, it is warm. Whoa. Holy smokes. Definitely don't want to drop my phone in this business. You never get your phone back if it was in here, man.
No. This water is 1 foot deep and it's opaque.
You cannot see to the bottom. And it's not even a foot deep.
I guess there's too many guys hauling loads in here.
Yeah, dude. It's creamy white.
No, this is a family place, dude.
This is cheese. Yeah, dude, we're in a big old bowl of cereal right now.
Oatmeal.
Yeah, no, this is like Fruity Flakes. In that Flintstones commercial. Damn. Can you imagine my baby being here, dude? Tripping out like.
Kid, it'll go all the way up to the waist.
Yeah, no, dude, that'd be so scary. You know how many pubes are in here? So many pubes in this bathtub right now.
Shut up, dude. That's gross.
Dude, look how cool this shit looks, man. It looks so much stronger on the phone. This is like Disney, man.
Come on, Phil, get the...
Chill vibes.
Little bench, too.
If you want to get your tush wet.
Where's the ashtray at?
No, thank you. This is my phone's background. I don't get it. I'm looking at my wallpaper right now through my phone. It's sweet.
Yeah.
Just be careful not to walk into a mirror, dude. Holy smokes. This is John the red blood cell. He's like pushing past these big old white blood cells.
Yeah.
He's like, get the hell out of my way, huh? Dude, I'm way too tall for this exhibit, man.
It's really hard.
I mean, I gotta fucking be careful, man. This shit's gonna tweak my neck.
Off, dude. The red blood cell.
Yeah, man.
Dude, that's what it feels
Whoa. Just like, grab on this ball and move it. Push it. Yeah, I just want to punk a kid, yeah.
That would be funny.
Just like push it. Whoa.
Yeah, I can see this place getting kind
You can imagine being the guy that works here, just like or some chaperone of people like, stop having fun. Because I can't make sense of it.
Yeah, I gotta say, the thing that made this a good experience was all of the
little pieces of like
explanations.
I need everything to make sense.
Oh, you're about to see.
Do the Yelp review like the third.
They've been advertising this shit on Instagram for like 6 months. TeamLab. I don't know.
Yeah, graphics were pretty crappy. Shitty graphics.
Yeah, it looks like something you'd fucking see on PlayStation 1.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, demo disc.
Yeah, man. Yeah, whatever. Later.
No,
Losers.
actually, it was really cool, dude. I want to be honest. This place was really dope. Me and Phil wish the other one was open right now because we want to do the other one, but unfortunately, it's closed the second and fourth Tuesday of every month. Our luck, man.
Yeah, bad luck.
Our
Yo,
luck.
pro tip: make sure you milk it hard. Stay
Yeah.
in the beanbag room for a long time.
That would be me and Phil's biggest takeaway from this: is stay in the beanbag room.
Stay in the beanbag room. Milk the beanbag room.
I want that to be my room. Just
Yeah.
let me live there forever. There we go. That's it.
Party, man. Next step.
Yo, what up? The newest Cart fans on the block. What's good? We just got a home run. What's really good? That's right, bro. Hiroshima.